Students, you all are welcome in my Patsala. Myself Subramitra Thakur from IQ City, Durgapur. Today we will take the class parallel lines, right? So parallel lines, what is parallel lines? Two lines are parallel when they never meet, right? Just like a railway line, railway track, the two track never meet, right? In these conditions, these two lines will be is called the parallel lines. Suppose here P and Q and line and R and S line, if you increase in both the sides, it will never meet. Then it will be a parallel lines. This type of line, this is not the parallel lines, because if you increase this line, it will cut here. So this is not a parallel line. This will be a parallel line, and this is the transversal. Transverse means the line which cuts two parallel line in 2 points, right? So when the transversal cuts the parallel lines in 2 points, it forms a lot of angles here, right? So these angles, I have given this name: one first angle, one angle, two angle, three angle, four angle, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the angles here, right? So in these type of angles, there is a very specific name is there. First is the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means, interior means this is the parallel lines. These two lines, parallel lines. Here 3, 4, 5, 6 the angles. These both are within the parallel lines. These are called interior. And 1, 2, 7, 8 these angles, these 4 angles, they are the outside of the parallel lines. This is called the exterior angle, right? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle is always same in parallel lines. Alternate interior angle means angle 3 equal to always angle 6. Alternate interior angle. And angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Do number exterior alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 8. Always it will be equal. And angle 2 is equal to angle 7. Right? And corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. These are the 3 number. Corresponding angle means 2 angle corresponding 6, 4 angle corresponding 8, 3 angle corresponding 7 and 1 to 5. All the corresponding angles are equal. Suppose angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 7, angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Right? These are the all corresponding angles. These are all corresponding angles are equal. So when two lines will be, if I say the question is, the two lines are parallel, in which condition do two lines will be parallel? So in that condition, if the two lines parallel, I will draw a transversal line. If I prove that two alternate interior angles are equal, or alternate exterior angle are equal, or corresponding angles are equal, okay, then we will call these two lines are parallel. And another condition is there, number 4, the two angles in this parallel line, these two angles, this is two angles and this is transversal. Transversal in the same side and both are the interior angle. Both are the interior angle. These two angles, if we add those two angles, then it will be 180 degree. So here angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, and angle 4 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. So there are a lot of clues of this angle relationship. From the angle relationship, this is the rules, and from this angle relationship we will do the mathematics for parallel lines, right? suppose this question is there that only single angle has given the value, and you will produce all the angles here. Two parallel lines here, and this is the transversal line, and this is the 110 degree. It has given that 110 degree. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You just say what are the values of this angle A, B, C, all the things. So angle 110 degree, 110 degree, 110 plus angle E is equal to 180, because it is straight line. So angle E is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. That is E is equal to 70 degree. If E is equal to 70 degree, then its corresponding angle B. So angle B is equal to angle E, corresponding angle, that is 70 degree. So B is also came here. So B and 110 degree and C plus 110, angle C plus 110, this both the angles, if we add both the angles in the same side of the transversal within the parallel lines, then it will be 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70. So angle C is equal to 70 degree. If it is 70 degree, then B will be 70 degree. If it is 70 degree, then this is the alternate interior angle, angle D. So angle D is equal to 110 degree. So if it is 110 degree, angle A will be the 110 degree, because it is vertically opposite angle. So it is 110 degree, so F will be the 110 degree, because it is vertically opposite angle. Angle E is equal to 70, then G is equal to 70 degree. It is also vertically opposite angle. Right? So it is very easy to calculate this, because I have given the lot of relationship of these angles in parallel lines. Right? So another question I am giving. This is the parallel line. Three parallel lines are there. It is a transversal. It is the next transversal like that. This is 50 degree. And this is 120 degree. And this is X. This is Y. This is Z. Right? So if it is the parallel lines, it is given that it is a AB, CD, EF. Here AB parallel to CD parallel to EF line. These three lines are parallel, and these are the transversal. So this is X. So if it is AB parallel to CD line, and these are the transversal, so angle 50 plus angle Z, and 50 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. These two interior angle in the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So angle Z is equal to here 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degree. So Z is equal to 130 degree. If it is 130 degree, again, and X and 50, angle X will be 50 degree, because it is the alternate interior angle. Right? Again, Z here 120 degree. So 120 plus Y, 120 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. In the same side of the transversal, within the parallel line, that will be the addition is a 180 degree. So Y will be the 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Right? So you can do all the mathematics like that from the parallel lines. Right? Also another mathematics in these parallel lines here. Here is a line here, and this is a line. Here it is going on, and this is the parallel lines here, right? And it is the A, B, P, S, here is the line. This is the Y degree, and it is 75 degree, and it is Z, it is X, right? Here it is 75 degree. So Y equal to 75 degree. Y is equal to 75 degree, alternate interior angle. Here both the lines are parallel here. Here it is a P, Q and SR. PQ parallel to SR, then, and this is the transversal. So Y is equal to 75 degree, alternate interior angle Y, right? Again, this is the two parallel lines here. So APQ is equal to, this is given the 120 degree. It is also given 120 degree. It is 120 degree, then it will be the 60 degree, right? So QPX, it will be 60 degree. Angle QPX is equal to 60 degree. So 60 degree, Y is equal to 70 degree, X is equal to, X will be the 60 degree. And these are the two parallel lines here. These two parallel lines, if it is 60 and this is 60, so X will be the 60 degree, because it is corresponding to, it is a corresponding angle, right? So X will be the 60 degree. So Z will be the 180. Total angle is 180, straight line angle. 180 minus 60 plus 75 degree. So 60 and 75, 135 degree. 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. So Z equal to 45 degree. Right? This is the mathematics here. Again, another math. Also, this is the last math of this chapter, that we just follow these two parallel lines here, and this is the transversal line. Transversal line, it is T, these two parallel lines. Here 3x plus 25, and it is 2x plus 20. Right? This is 3x plus 25, so it will be also 3x plus 25, because it is the corresponding angle. So find the value of x. What will be the value of x? And what will be the value of angle? Right? What will be the value of these two angles? So here 3x plus 25 plus 2x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 45 degree. That is equal to 135 degree. So x is equal to 135 divided by 5, 27. So therefore, this angle will be 2x plus 20, 2 into 27 plus 20, that is 54 plus 20, 54, 64, 74, that is 74 angle. This angle will be the 74 degree, and this will be the 3x plus 25, that is 3 into 27 plus 25, that is 81 plus 25, that is 105 degree, 106 degree, 106 degree. Again 106 degree plus 74, it will be 180 degree. It has already come. Okay. Okay. So it is I think you will learn the parallel lines, and from the relations of these angles you can do all the mathematics of these parallel lines. In the next class we will start the again triangle. Right? Okay. Bye bye. Bye.